Meaning of freeware.
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 Freeware. Freeware refers to computer software that is available for use at no cost, without any licensing fees. It's distributed freely and can be used, copied, and shared by anyone without any restrictions or limitations. Freeware is created by developers who want to share their work with others, without charging for it. However, freeware is not open source software, which means users cannot access its source code to modify or extend it. Freeware might include certain limitations or features that are only available in the paid version, but generally, it offers basic functionality that is useful for personal or non-profit use.